So I'm going to show you a little card trick, but it's a card trick with a difference, because I'm not going to do the card trick. The card trick is going to be done by the world's only card trick performing duck. Give him a round of applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I need another volunteer to pick a card. Let's choose this young man here. Can't stand Jester. And what's your name? Matthew. Give Matthew a big round of applause. Woo! They see audience or they see the 3 6s. And how old are you, Matthew? 11. And are you married? Tilly, he's not married either. No? I tried for you. What I want you to do, Matthew, pick a card, any card. No, I'm joking, anyone. They're all the same. That's the joke. Look at the card, Matthew. Show it to all the people, Matthew. But do not, Matthew, and this is really important, do not show it to the duck. Has everyone seen the card? Go, yeah! Yeah! Put the card on top there, Matthew. Adults, is it face down? You'd be surprised. So we take the cards, Matthew, and give them a quick little shuffle like that. And then we put the cards in here, just like that. Just like that. Now, I know what you're all thinking. You're all thinking, oh no, not another duck that thinks he knows a good card trick. But give him his dues. How many ducks do you know that could do a card trick blindfolded? I kid you not. We blindfold the duck so that he can't see. What?
He's done it wrong.
It's what? He's made of wood. Besides, it's Peking duck. Peking duck. I told you they get worse. Okay, for the cynic, otherwise known as Matthew, we cover his eyes. Now he's just going to read your mind, Matthew. Shouldn't take long. He's read your mind. He knows what a card is. He's just got to find it while he's blindfolded. He's chose a card. Where's Matthew's card? The 3 of Hearts. You can lie, I don't mind. It wasn't. Then it must have been the King of Clubs. Woo! Yeah, big round of applause for Matthew and the duck. Thank you, Matthew. You can come again.